Hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. We're headed out to pick up a Silver Series 453T. A friend of mine contacted me and said he met a guy who had one out in his field, and he might be interested in selling it. So I contacted the guy, spoke to him, and yeah, the rest is history. We're just headed up here now. It's about an hour and a half north of Kelowna. And yeah, with any luck, it's got some salvageable parts in it, you know, but again, it's been sitting out in the open for years. I'll try to get some history on it when I get there to figure out, you know, what the heck. All I know is it came out of a Clark skidder, and that's it. That's all I know. So I'll try to get some details when I go to pick it up, get some history on it, and things like that. But from the pictures I've got, there's you know, it's been sitting out probably 10 years with the head off, so it's never good when you see that. So it's a 1988, late 1988 silver, so you know, it's worth going to get. The price was right, it was cheap, so there's good parts on it. I'm still looking for a blower with a bypass on it, and if the blower's good, that's a good thing, you know, like. So it's got all the bits, hopefully. He found all the bits. He had to go find a whole bunch of stuff for it that he didn't have. So with any luck, he found everything, and I come home with a lot of parts. So yeah, I'll see if I can get some video like I say when I do these things, but I don't want to intrude on the guy's privacy. But yeah, it should be a good one. When I get a little closer, I'll let you know. So that's the second Silver Series I've gotten from a skidder. I believe the other one was a Timberjack, but it doesn't matter. They're all the same. They're beat hard and put away wet, you know. So with any luck, like I said, it's got some good parts in it. So anyway, stay tuned. Well, this is his place by the looks of it. I had to use a
turn right.
A GPS Latin long. Yeah, this is it. He's got a 6V92T.
In 600 meters, your destination will be on the left.
I told him he'd hear me before he sees me, so. Wow. It's got internationals, Freightliners, all kinds of stuff. Chevy C60. All right, we're digging for Detroits. They're in the weeds.
Don't get me in the camera.
No, I won't. I'd crit.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah. So there it is, 6V92T with Jake heads.
Yeah.
And we got ourselves a vented 3208.
Yeah.
It's got a nice vent hole in
the other side.
Yeah, I can't see it, but there we go. All right. So yeah, like I said, it is a sickness, guys. Here it is, all the bits and pieces out of a Clark skidder, 1988.
667D.
667D. Yeah. So we'll see what parts this has got in it. have it, guys. That's a look at the Silver Series in the back. I think the camshaft's good. We'll see. I'll tear it apart and see what parts are good in it. With any luck, the blower's good. It's got the bypass blower on it. Yeah, I think. I didn't even look at that, to be honest. But anyway, we'll have a peek at it when I get it to the shop. Well, we're back at the shop, and I guess there's oil in the crankcase. He said he drained it, but there must be some left over. So we'll unload this and then have a look-see. Yeah, there's the bypass right there. So with any luck, some of this stuff's still good. It wasn't his engine, so I never got a history on it. He thinks it might have had a cracked head, but we'll soon find out. I got most everything except the rockers, but let's set you down. We'll start up Little Alice and unload this thing. So yeah, it's a 1988. It's not listed here, but the serial number I looked up was 1988. And it's an industrial Silver Series with the VS Governor. And, you know, again, it's tweaked, but housing's not broken anyway. So I'll dig into this. when time's available. It's got 5 C60 injectors, Reliabilts. Turbo is seized. So I think he said it was sitting outside for a decade, but I'll get it on its end here, pull the oil pan off and see if there's anything recoverable. Well, there you have it, guys. That's saving another Silver Series from the scrapyard. In the next video, we'll put it on its end and pull the oil pan off and see if anything's good in it. It's got oil in it, so that's a positive thing. I'll go clean out my truck now, and yeah, so when time permitting, I'll poke away at this. But thanks again for checking in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.